That's the same deal. If they give you the slope and the y-intercept, you're just going to graph it the same way we did this. So then they're telling you graph the slope is -3/5, and then they're telling you that the y-intercept is -3. You don't have to have a full equation. You just have to have the slope and the y-intercept. You don't have to draw big graphs. You can just draw small graphs. It's not a big deal. Just make sure everything is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The same distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The left is negative and the bottom is negative. Does that make sense? Again, you have your x and you have your y-axis. If your y-intercept is -3, you go to your y and you find -3. Here's your 0. You go 1, 2, 3, put a dot. Make sense? My slope is what? What's the slope? -3/5. So your slope can either be to the down 3 to the right 5 or up 3 to the left 5. It depends on what you have room for in your graph. So I like to do both, so I have it on both directions. This one says down 3, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and then I have to go over 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just put a dot. I could go up 3 and then to the left 5. So we're going to go 1, 2. Am I doing that right? -3. Oh, I went the wrong way. Whoops. Ignore that. -3 to the right 5. 1, 2, 3, and over 5. So forget that. Then up 3. If I go to the original point, go up 3. 1, 2, 3, and then over 5 places. Put a dot. You don't need that many lines. Just connect the dots. Bless you. You see, I know what I'm doing and I still messed up. So -3 means down 3. +5 means to the right 5. Rise over run. Remember that. Rise over run. The y-axis is your rise. The x-axis is your run. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So now you have find slope and y-intercept. When they give you a line which is -5x plus y equals 6. Where are you supposed to be filling these out? So you just have to put it back into y equals mx plus b format. So that's what you need to do. Put in y equals mx plus b. You want it in slope-intercept form. The y is in the right spot. So how do I get rid of this -5x?
You add 5.
We're going to add 5x. We're going to get rid of it over here. We're going to put it over here. You're not putting the 5 and the 6 together. You're just saying y equals mx plus b. Once you have that, you should be able to identify your slope and your y-intercept. Thank you. Slope y-intercept. Does that make sense? That's it. That's all you're doing. So when it tells you something like that, find the slope and the y-intercept, change it to the form. The slope is where the m is. The y-intercept is where the b is. Slope, y-intercept. Make sense?
Yes.
So if you guys need to take a picture of this one,